Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with an interesting stitch. It is called as Crow's Foot Lattice, and this is worked over 4 rows of alternating V's and fan stitches. So in this we derive the name from the fans which have a treble at the center with a double either side, and they are separated by single chains, and it produces a great pattern with variety of weights and colors of yarn. You can have changing colors, but I have done with a single color here for the swatch. This pattern requires multiples of 4 plus 4 as a foundation chain. This particular swatch I worked with woven hobby store 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, which is medium weight 4 with 2040 as a color code, and I have as usual used my 5.5 mm clover amour hook. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I made 12 plus 4 16 chains. In the fourth, that is, skip 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and in the fifth chain make a double crochet. The skipped 4 chain works as a treble and chain 1, and then chain 1, skip 2 chains and 1 single crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, skip 2 chains, make 1 DC, chain 1, a treble, chain 1 and a DC, all in the same chain. Now chain 1, skip 2 chains and place a single crochet here. So we are left with last 3 chains. Chain 1, skip 2 chain, skip 2 chains, 1 DC, chain 1, 1 treble in the last stitch here. This is make a little tighter. Yeah. One double crochet, chain 1 and a treble. Turn your work, chain 1 and turn your work, that's better, and then place 1 single crochet in the treble, chain 1, 1 treble in the single crochet here, chain 1, 1 DC in 2 strands of the lower side of treble here, the 2 strands. Chain 1, 1 SC in the next treble, chain 1, 1 treble in the SC here, chain 1, 1 DC in the 2 strands of the treble just made. Hope I made the treble. I'll make it again. I have a doubt, because unconsciously I might have made the double crochet. Yeah, yarn over twice and a treble in the SC here, chain 1 and 1 double in the 2 strands here, these 2 strands. So in the lower part of the treble we have these 2 strands. Here we need to make a double crochet. It's similar to the Y stitch here actually. And repeat and make a SC in the last stitch here. So this is row 2. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. After this DC, chain 1 and then place an SC in the very last stitch here. Chain 1, SC in the first SC, chain 1 for row 3, skip chain 1 space, 1 DC, chain 1, 1 treble, chain 1, 1 DC, all in the space, in the chain space here. Chain 1, skip 1, 1 SC in the next SC here. Again chain 1, skip this space, a DC, chain 1, a treble, a chain 1, a DC, all in the chain space here between the treble and the DC that we made. Chain 1 and skip 1 space, repeat to the end. In the last you have to place your single crochet here. This is how it looks after row 3. For row 4, chain 4 and turn. This counts as a treble, and make 1 DC in the 4th chain here, that is here. Actually in these 2 strands you need to make a DC. This is almost a Y stitch here. Chain 1, skip the next 2 spaces and place an XC in the treble. Chain 1, 1 treble in the next SC, chain 1 and DC in the last 2 strands of the treble. Chain 1, SC on top of the treble here, chain 1, place a treble, and chain 1, place a DC in the last 2 strands of the treble. This is how you end the row here. This is how it looks after row 4. For row 5, chain 4 and turn. This chain 5 and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and turn. This chain 5 counts for 1 treble and a chain 1 space, and then place a DC on the first DC here. Because we did a treble and a DC here. Chain 1, skip 1 space, SC in the next SC here, chain 1, skip 1 space here, and then you have that DC, chain 1 treble, chain 1 DC. DC treble group we are going to make here. Chain 1, skip the next space and 1 SC on the SC and repeat the pattern. Here you've come to the end of the 5th row here. So we are going to place chain 1, after this SC chain 1, place a DC chain 1 treble in the last stitch here. DC chain 1 and a treble I'm going to work from behind like this. So the pattern repeats are rows 2 to 5. So it looks like a bird's feet, the stitch. That's why it's been named with crow's name, crow's foot lattice. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this stitch. If you want the written pattern for this stitch or any particular stitch or the video, you can text me in the comment section with your email ID. I shall send it to your mail ID. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, guys. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the new videos that we upload on day-to-day basis. Bye for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.